ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Daga jingtmu ban pentebit shushu ya ki nong tray ki badon ha ki thai nong kendong ka Meghalaya Technical Staff Association Shillong lengba ka jingkershan jongatnat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary jong ka Sarkar Jilla hapok ka National Livestock Mission kala penlong ya ka Jinghikai ka ba Sngi lenter kata ha ka arpunyu tarik bat ha ka arpu pratarik bunai risau arjar arpuwe ha Vocational Training Center ka badon ha kli tershi West Jingri Hills District. Hagabau Dr. KB Sakhar, ubadai Director Jongkatanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Ulalong Ukongsan. Kiriyo Shampang ki bala ajing batay ha kini ki Sngi kilong ka Dr. SM Toy, ka bala batay halor kapang animal handling, sick and dead animal bat kiway, ka occupation health hazard, bat halor ka farm biosecurity.
Our department will really be one of the department which will create a jealousy to many. I'm not just thinking big because I know already. Plans are already there. That's why consider yourself that you are so important. Because as mentioned by all the speakers, you are the backbone. So there is the role for all of you during that period that you will become so important. People will look at you that is so important to you. But to achieve that, you need to prepare yourself. How do you prepare yourself? You have to be skillful. You have to be knowledgeable. That's why, again, coming back, seminar, training, etc. can update your knowledge. So whenever we call for training seminar, don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. Come and attend the training. Even if you don't like also, you please sit and listen. If you want to get rid 80%, at least retain 20%, waiting only for clearance from the finance. We have targeted in the first year 2 lakh cattle. 2 lakh cattle. So we require 2 crore of money just to give to the farmer. See. So government, nobody question us because we have approached in the right direction. Everybody, we were able to convince the government. So now we are waiting, we are counting only the days that the finance will release this money to us because it was passed by the assembly. Nobody can question anymore now. We have no budget in our own department. So we submitted through supplementary demand, which we need to pass by the assembly. So assembly has passed. That's why I'm looking for a better future. Our achievement should be good. But that depends entirely on your seriousness on the job, on the work. That's why I would like to take this opportunity to address to all of you. Please, time has come that you prepare yourself. That here is challenge number 1, which we need to help the department to overcome all the difficulties it has faced for so long. I believe with your good cooperation, including our officers. That's why I mentioned our officers, everyone in the field needs to learn artificial insemination. That's why, looking at all this, immediately I make a proposal that in Jingri Hills there is no liquid nitrogen plant. There is no justification to have also because population is too small. Performance is very low. But I said no, give us the opportunity, give us the chance. That's why now we are in the process of making one liquid nitrogen plant here itself. We have identified the land. The work will start. Actually, we were supposed to start in August, but due to rain, the engineer was telling me, sir, it is not suitable. When all these heavy vehicles will come, it will destroy the approach road of PDC. So when the rain stops, we will start the work. It should not take time. We are already, everything is prepared. We will have one establishment here. The doctor also we will bring here, he will station here. This will be the main hub for artificial insemination for both the district of East and West Jingri Hills. And not only that, I have already planned, we will also give more support to the center. We want to see that giant hills also grow faster. Because now there are so many business persons from Giant Hills in the last 3 months who came and met me, especially those who are in the coal business. Now that there is banning of the business, they have lots of money, they don't know where to spend the money. I have invited them, some of them now. They came and met me. I said, please do something in livestock sector. Invest some money. You will see, it will be a blessing to your district. There is so much potential in both East Jante Hills and West Jante Hills. Instead of spending money in doing whatever for your luxury life, do something. People in Jante Hills also will benefit. So I'm expecting, I'm hopeful that these people who, if they are serious enough, if they will invest, you will see really a sudden change in Jante Hills. If they will invest in cattle development, in piggery, so on and so forth. Not only that, I'll tell you, now that the government of India has also prepared a plan, a scheme which they call it Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund. From beginning of January, we will start the scheme in which the government of India also will provide support to an entrepreneur. Before we are giving to farmers schemes, now we will also focus to entrepreneur. Entrepreneur are what? People who mean business. They don't start with 1 pig, 2 pig, 3 pigs like farmers. When they want to invest, they invest in large, big way. Instead of starting with 4 pigs, they will have to start at least minimum 50 pigs to where the money will come. They have the money, they need support from the government will give them some kind of a support. We have also brought imported exotic bulls, which is coming from even from Germany. Recently, we have brought Angol bulls from Andhra. And now we are in the process of bringing sex-sorted semen. When I say sex-sorted semen, it is a semen which has been sorted out only that the cow will be able to produce, if not 100%, but at least 90% only female calf. That is what farmers are looking. Now we are giving AI, so there is a chance of 50-50, 50 male, 50 female. But now we have already availed the scheme from the government of India, crores of money we have received from government of India. We are doing the tendering. We have completed the tendering. Now only we need to move forward to import these semens, sex sorted, of different variety. Besides Jersey and Holstein Friesian, we will also be importing another Indian origin breed of high yielding variety like Sahiwal, Tharparkar, Red Sindhi, like that only. So the farmer will have choice to make. If farmers demand this, we have. If the farmer, the other one this, we have. So not only that, see, under the artificial insemination program, we are also providing you extra money in the form of a remuneration. We have fixed this price. Once insemination, this much money you'll get, 150. The second doses which you are giving, you'll get an extra money of 50 rupees. When the cow will produce the calf also, you'll get money. But the problem is that the performance is very poor. When we were interacting with all the district officers, they said that the village people, farmers, they are so hesitant to allow their cows for insemination, which is true to little extent. So, when the overall performance of the state is poor, at that point of time it was only a 9 point something percent. The minister, who is our deputy chief minister, called me when I took charge as a director. He said, what should we do? Why the performance is so poor? Government of India is putting lots of queries to the state government that you cannot achieve the target. We have given you lots of money, but still then nothing happening. So he asked me what to do, how to solve this problem. So I told him, I have only one suggestion, and that suggestion is that we will also provide some kind of an incentive to the farmer. For every AI we are doing insemination, if you will agree, we will give 100 rupees to this cattle owner.